my lovely viewers, welcome into my corner, welcome on my channel. I'm Yuli and I'm welcome you in another video with me. I'm in my kitchen and we are about to do together a vegan recipe of gingerbread. It's the holiday season and why not try a vegan recipe of gingerbread cookies. A few of you have asked me for the recipe. I share some stories on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, please do. It's IULI Fencing. So here it is, the recipe that I'm sharing. All the ingredients that I'm putting in my recipe. I created my own recipe. Me and my husband, we are just picking ingredients, what we put in more, what we add, what we take. So for example, these are the gingerbread cookies that I'm talking about. They are very good. I like to keep them displayed in the glass, retro glass vase. And we don't like them to be too sweet. So for example, we skip the molasses, skip the cane sugar, and we add coconut sugar instead of normal sugar or molasses. These are done with molasses. Molasses add a little bit of darkness to your cookies. So if you want to make them sweet, proper sweet as normal sugar, add molasses and cane sugar. If you want a healthy version, add coconut sugar. This is what I like the most, the one with the coconut sugar. So let's jump into the recipe and enjoy it. The recipe is very easy to put together. I'm pretty sure every one of you has the ingredients in the kitchen and they are ready to be used. So all the ingredients for my recipe are listed down below this video as well. I'm trying to show you through the video as well what the process is and all the ingredients as well, but somehow if I forget to record some parts, all the ingredients will be in the description down below this video. So please don't forget to check the list for full recipe. So in my country now is winter, so we celebrate Christmas. What about you? Do you celebrate Christmas in your country? Do you celebrate Christmas? Let me know. Write down in the comment section. I would love to know if you celebrate or not Christmas. it's time to go into the fridge for minimum half an hour. So if I'm in a rush, I keep it half an hour. If I'm not in a rush, I keep it 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. So I will keep it half an hour, and then I will take it out of the fridge and start to lower it, split it in two, roll it, and cut the cookies. I'm losing the daylight. It's 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and it looks like it's about to get dark very soon. But no worry, I will find a way to share with you the next steps. And this is the lovely display that I wanted to share with you. This is the one that I done it myself. If you want to see all the steps and the full tutorial, please watch the link that is showing up here somewhere. If you can't find it there, if I forget to put it there, it will be in the description bar down below this video as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to click the like button, click the subscribe to be updated with my new video, and also to be notified. Click the tiny little bell that is next to subscribe. That will really give you a notification when my next video will be up. To be honest, I don't know where it will be up. It depends on my time, free time, it depends on my moods most of the time as well. This is a hobby. It's for me a hobby, so it's not my job. So I'm doing it because I love it, but I'm doing it according to my life as well. And I wish you all from the bottom of my heart a happy Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I know that 2020 was a little bit rough, but let's be grateful because other generation behind us, our ancestors had a rough time than us. So let's be grateful, let's be thankful, and wish for the best. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.